So I was talking to a friend yesterday and she was talking about rebranding herself. And I told her, I said, you actually don't need to rebrand yourself. You really have an excellent brand. You just need to elevate the brand. And stronger marketing position for 2026, it creates a clear, elevated identity that differentiates your business in a crowded business landscape. It also increases your credibility and authority. So I always teach my leaders to be a thought leader in their industry. It helps to refine the brand messaging and it signals professionalism and readiness and a high level of partnership, collaborations, and visibility opportunities that could potentially come your way. It also creates a higher quality, meaning more alignment attracts more aligned clients. It elevates your messaging naturally, which attracts people who value your expertise and are willing to invest in higher levels. Also, elevating your brand, it enhances your pricing power. People often think if I charge less, it'll attract more, but it actually does the opposite. A stronger brand perception allows for premium pricing without resistance from your market. Greater consistency across platforms is another way. So it helps to streamline your brand elements and it creates cohesive trust and a recognition at the first point of contact when people learn who you are. When you elevate your brand, expanded opportunities come your way, like speaking engagement and media features and partnerships and leadership invitations, which, you know, it increases your presence and it strengthens who you are and it strengthens your messaging. And thus for it attracts your client experience to be improved, meaning like the elevation that often includes systems and automations and clearer pathways and leading to smoother onboarding process that lead to the best results. At the end of the day, you want to impact your bottom line. So predictable and scalable revenue. A stronger brand foundation, it supports reoccurring revenue and product expansion in the long term. We're in this for longevity. It's not quick, fast money. We are talking about longevity, scalability, empowered expertise, meaning like your brand position is efficient. I am teaching a mentorship for people who are in the position of elevating their brand to the next level. People are tired of 2025 and what it's brought, but what it did was it shifted the energy. It impacted those who were serious about calling in what they really wanted. It shedded the weight that no longer served you in the direction that you were going, meaning like your products that didn't align or clientele that didn't align or pricing that didn't align. It really told you what you wanted and what you did not want. And what I'm seeing happening now are business owners are getting very serious about, no, we are elevating, we are transitioning, we are calling in more aligned work for ourselves, how we position ourselves, but also to attract the desired clientele that they deserve and that they're aiming for, which at the end of the day is going to attract their bottom line for seven-figure earners. So if you are interested in the Get Your Business in Order mentorship, it starts January 7th. I am so excited about this. It's a 6-week mentorship, and we're going to go over all of the key elements through this. I'm going to teach you how to elevate your brand. Sometimes you don't need to redefine yourself or reposition yourself. It just needs tweaking so you have more efficient offers, you have more refined offers that attract your right clientele and call in opportunities that position you as a thought leader in your industry. You get on the podcast, you get on the speaking panels, you get featured in media. I had an article drop on me yesterday about the things that I do. So this is what you want. When we talk about real business elevation and brand positioning, this is the stuff that we'll be going over and Get Your Business in Order mentorship. So shout out to my friend who is considering or, doing this elevation for herself and her business and brand. And shout out to all of y'all. And I can't wait to see you guys on the inside.